and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have another watermelon recipe for you guys. Before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you haven't seen them already, definitely make sure to check out my watermelon pizza and my watermelon fries recipe. I can make sure to link them up right here for you guys to check them out. Super good, but I still have clearly some more watermelon left. So I needed to come up with something. So I made a watermelon salad. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be using our watermelon. We're going to make a nice salad. We're going to have some strawberries, some cucumber, some lime, mint. Everything's going to be really nice and fresh. And then we're going to be using some Feta cheese. Of course, you have to. So for the watermelon, you can slice it however you want. You can cube it. You can do whatever. But I'm going to be using, like I showed you in my other video, my little melon scooper. And we're just going to be making little round shapes. So we're going to have the round shapes here. We're going to have, you know, our little half moon shapes with our cucumber, and then we're going to have our sliced strawberries. So it's going to be all really nice and good. Now, this is my whole toolkit for today's video. So we're going to be zesting and juicing our limes. So we have one of these. We're going to use our little melon thing. We have our microplane for our limes. We're going to be, I always tell you guys I like to stripe my cucumber, so you can leave all the skin on, you can take it all off, totally up to you, just a normal knife. And my favorite little scissor for our mint. Now, I've showed you guys this in a couple videos now, but I'm obsessed with it. This is like, why haven't I heard of this before? For all my herbs. Now, everybody made fun of me when I got this. They're like, what are these gadgets that you find? But this saves me so much time. All it is just a normal like kitchen shear, but with a ton of blades. So every time you cut something, so like this is our mint, so every time you cut it, it just slices it all for you. Super easy. And if anything gets stuck in between the blades, you just take this little like comb looking thing and just take them all out. Super easy, simple. If you don't have one of these, definitely get one. It's totally worth it, and they're super cheap. So now, the last few videos I've been making, I've been kind of skipping over the prep, but I don't know if that's something that you guys want to see. So in today's video, I'm going to go through the prep with you, even if I fast forward it a little bit, just so you guys can see like what I'm doing. But definitely let me know in the comment section below if that's something that you guys want to see, or if you like when I skip it, or if you like when I fast forward it, just let me know, because I don't know. So without further ado, I'm going to go grab my apron. I'm going to go grab my apron, and then we're going to get started with all the prep. Okay, so I like to just start with one thing at a time and kind of move everything aside so I'm not all distracted and whatever. So, and I like to start with like a really big bowl and kind of mix everything together in here before I transfer it to another one. So that's what we're going to do. So you're going to take off whatever jewelry you have, and then here's where you can cube it, like I said, slice it however you want, but I'm going to be using our little melon scooper. Just make little balls. Now this is going to get a little bit juicy, so I just kind of dump this in the sink, or if you like to save the juice and make something else, you can do that, but I just kind of like keep going and just dumping it a little bit. Alright, so that didn't take long at all. We have all of our watermelon right in here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to work on are our strawberries. So all you're going to want to do is just make sure you rinse them beforehand, and then I like to kind of cut a little V. Hello, Layla. I like to just cut a little V like that just to get the like rooty part out, just because when you slice completely across, you're just wasting a lot of the strawberry. And then I'll cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. So you have like these little slices. And that's literally it. So I like to kind of just measure things as I go, because I like to look at the color once I'm done and make sure that there's a balance of color, there's a balance of all the different fruit inside. Alright, strawberries are done. We have a nice blend now of like our strawberries and watermelon. So now we're going to move on to our cucumber. Okay, so I already told you guys, you know that I like to kind of stripe my cucumber just because it's a little bit too bitter for me when I leave all the skin, so I'm just gonna cut off the ends, and then this is a really long cucumber, so I'm just gonna cut it in half and then just start striping. Okay, then after you do that, you can either just slice them like this, but I like to cut them in half one time and then do that. So in half, just long ways, and then we're gonna start cutting like that. Just so you get kind of like half moon shapes, and they're smaller pieces, but there's more of them. Alright, so our cucumber's done. We have our cucumber, strawberry, and watermelon now. So now next, we're going to work on our mint, which is gonna be super quick and easy because, like I said, I have these little like kitchen shears now. So I'm just gonna do this right over the bowl. So I'm literally just going to start slicing. Alright, and then like I said, once it gets kind of like clogged up in here, you just take this little thing and it takes everything out. Like, how quick was that? Alright, so you guys should look like this. Now I used an entire packet of this. You guys can use more or less, just up to you guys. Now we're almost done. All we have left to do is to add in our lime juice and zest, and then just some feta, and that's literally it. So now I'm just rolling the lime just to get it a little bit more soft and easier to... Well, don't do that. But easier to get the juice out. Alright, so I just rinse that off really quickly, just so we can get our nice zest going, and then make sure to definitely dry it off first so you don't have anything getting all like clumpy in here. Alright, so we have our zest. We're just going to go ahead and add all of that right into our bowl. Now we're just going to slice our lime in half and then just start juicing it. Since I was younger, my mom always made me this Greek lemon soup. It's like a lemon soup. And she had this thing that was just like this. Except when you would push down, this thing would spin for you. I need to look into what it was. Alright, so now that is all of our lime juice. So I'm just going to give this another stir, add in our feta and our lime juice, and then I'm going to put this into our other bowl so you guys can see everything that's going on, and we'll try some. Okay guys, we're all done, and how good does this look? Can't wait to try this. So I put some in a little dish over here. So let's see, we have some strawberry, watermelon, cucumber. Oh, so good, you guys. So fresh and delicious. It's very sweet but refreshing at the same time, because you have all that sweetness from your watermelon, your strawberry, but it's so refreshing with the mint and the lime and the cucumber, and the feta just gives it that extra little like dink. So good. Can't wait for you guys to try this one at home, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what you think so far of the 3 different watermelon videos. Which one was your favorite? The salad, the fries, or the pizza? I'm really curious to see what you guys think. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And don't forget to share this with your friends, with your family, with anybody who likes watermelon. Whoever likes watermelon, share this video. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.